BJP, and now the
You see, in West Bengal, that has been proved that in alliance with CPIM, State Congress tried their best to help BJP. Because in West Bengal, we, under the leadership of Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, we defeated BJP. Congress and CPM, they tried their best to divide the opposition vote, but they failed. So, there is no significance of the statement of newly appointed State Congress President.
They seems to be projecting that all the leaders are saying that Mamata Banerjee can be the leader, but Congress is not interested in that.
You see, in
Lalu Prasad Yadav has also.
No. You see, Mamata Banerjee has made it very clear that she is not interested at all in any big chair of Delhi. But he is interested to build up a alternative platform who can defeat Bhajpa. So, Mamata Banerjee initiated to create a new platform, India. And now you see, in India, within India Alliance, you see that in West Bengal, we under the leadership of Mamata Banerjee, we have defeated Bhajpa. In Jharkhand, under the leadership of Hemant Soren, Jharkhand Mukti Morcha has defeated Bhajpa. But in those states where the main responsibility to defeat Bhajpa is upon Congress, like Haryana, like Maharashtra, the Congress has failed. They have failed miserably. That's why BJP has become successful to form the government. So the senior leaders of the country and India alliance, they are suggesting the name of Mamata Banerjee as the responsible face of, acceptable face of India. But Mamata Banerjee, she didn't ask for any chair or something. So what is the problem with Congress? Congress, we don't interested in blame game. But Congress should make a self-analysis that why they have failed in Haryana, why they failed to defeat Bhajpa in Lok Sabha election, why they have failed in Maharashtra. They must analyze the situation and take a lesson from history. That is, in coalition politics, not an arithmetic formula, but there will be a significance of a particular face. There is not a single largest party. That will be a face. You see, after the 13 days government of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, that time Congress was the single largest party. But Congress had to support Jyoti Basu as Prime Ministerial candidate. CPM had not the number, but the face, not the number. In the coalition politics, not the number, the face is important. This is the lesson of history. That time, Congress supported Jyoti Basu, but CPM was not interested. Then Congress supported Deve Gowda government, Third Front government, United Front government. Then Congress supported I.K. Gujral. So, in 96, when Congress, that time, they proposed the name of the then Chief Minister of West Bengal as the alternate face. So, where is the problem? They have to change their mentality.
But now Kejriwal has said that in Delhi they will go alone. No possibility of alliance between Congress and AAP.
That is the problem of Congress. Its seat alliance and this kind of vote division we have seen in Haryana, we have seen in Maharashtra. So that is the problem of Congress. Congress has to solve the problem. They have to solve. Congress, they have to solve their problem. I don't want to make comment on this because this is a national issue and I don't want to get into the detail. But senior leaders, they are there, they are observing the situation. But this is that's why the Congress, they are not ready to solve these kind of problems in various states. This is the problem. In West Bengal also, there was problem. They went with CPM to defeat Trinamool Congress, but failed miserably, and Trinamool won, and Trinamool defeated Bhajpa also. In many states, this is the problem of Congress. They are not interested to accept the practical ground reality, the practical situations.
कुणाल दा, यही सवाल है। कांग्रेस का कहना है दिल्ली चुनाव के सिवा देश में अभी कोई बड़ा चुनाव नहीं है, तो इंडिया को लेके चिंता भावना करना या तो फिर और कोई ऑल्टरनेट फेस लाना, कांग्रेस अभी इसके बारे में नहीं सोचा। उनका
यही कांग्रेस का प्रॉब्लम है, यही कांग्रेस का प्रॉब्लम है। और हम लोग बंगाल में पूरा बरस हम स्टडी करते हैं, इसीलिए एग्जाम आने से हमारा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता। और कांग्रेस का ये प्रॉब्लम है, जब वोट आ जाता है सामने, वही टाइम मीटिंग 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 मीटिंग, वो क्या होगा। ममता बनर्जी का प्रपोजल था इंडिया बनाओ, स्टेट वाइज कॉमन मिनिमम प्रोग्राम, स्टेट वाइज ज्वाइंट प्रोग्राम्स, ये तो हेल्प करेगा पब्लिक को। देखिए, पब्लिक अब बहुत कॉशियस है। आप इलेक्शन चुनाव आ गया, आप मीटिंग करके सीट बांट लेते हैं और कुछ बोल देते हैं, वो पब्लिक मान लेगा नहीं। ये ऑल्टरनेट प्लेटफॉर्म का एक क्रेडिबिलिटी होना चाहिए, और क्रेडिबिलिटी पब्लिक रिलेशन, पब्लिक का इशू का साथ, मूवमेंट का साथ होना चाहिए। कांग्रेस यही समझ नहीं पा रहा है, खुद भी डूब रहा है, इंडिया को भी डुबा रहा है।
बांग्लादेश को लेकर एक सवाल है, वहाँ पे एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, टेररिस्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हिजबुल तहरीर, उन्होंने कल ढाका में, जो कि इलीगल था, अब पहली बात तो है उनका इलीगलिटी हटा दिया गया है, दूसरी बात है ढाका में कल उन्होंने पैम्फलेट मतलब डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया, जहाँ पे उन्होंने आम ये कहा कि भारतवर्ष को दुश्मन स्टेट घोषणा करना चाहिए।
देखिए, ये हम लोग कमेंट नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि दूसरा देश का अंदर का बात है, लेकिन सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, हमारा दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट पूरा अभी कुछ नहीं कर रहा है, इसलिए ये एंटी इंडिया फोर्सेस इन बांग्लादेश वो एक्टिव हो जा रहा है। ये एक लॉन्ग टर्म प्रॉब्लम होगा, लेकिन हमारा चीफ मिनिस्टर बता दिया है, ये तो अलग स्टेट का नहीं है, वो अलग देश का बात है। हम लोग एक स्टेट है, तो इसीलिए हमारा हाथ में नहीं है, रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हमारा नहीं है, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट को करना चाहिए, लेकिन वो लोग कुछ भी नहीं कर रहा है। इसीलिए वो पूरा सब बुरे इंसिडेंट्स वहां पर हो रहा है, बुरे बात हो रहा है, और ऐसे एंटी इंडिया फोर्सेस, they are trying their best to misuse the situation of Bangladesh as anti-India platform. वो तो रुकना चाहिए, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट को तो कुछ करना चाहिए। थैंक यू।